Desperate rain knocking on my window, telling me what I don't want to hear. Desperate rain knocking on my doorstep. Hard times I greatly fear. These painful memories cross my mind. Can't get relief, can't unwind. Wrestling with madness, about out of time. This desperate rain is so unkind. I've never done a record like this before, being that we came in and we did this in 2 days, and it was just a real challenge to do, but I really liked the way it came out. I like being under the gun like that, and I also like having David, the drummer, and Johnny, bass player, we're all in the same room, so we were able to get some really good grooves going.
First of all, it went pretty quick because we planned to come in here and try to get this thing banged out in a couple of days. So we came in fully prepared. We worked on it for hours and hours, worked on all the material. We didn't want to come in here and be messing around because we knew we didn't have much time. So we were able to pull it together and get things done in a couple of days.
And it worked. I mean, the record has 13 tracks. We're mixing today. We're taking time to get this, to give the record the time it deserves. It's not a thrown together project at all. We're really making this one count. So we have, we did it quickly, but in terms of tracking, and as Johnny says, we were really prepared for that. And now we're just excited to basically play these tunes on stage and bring this record to life when we gig.
You ain't never gonna see me worrying about you no more. That's right, yo.
I feel great about the way the whole process has come about. Like I say, being in the same room with the other guys, it really gives you a lot of energy, a lot to pull from. So the songs, the tempos, everything came out really, really fresh and good. I really enjoyed it.
Studio View recording is a live room, and being that it's a live room, it's really pretty easy to track a band live and do like an in-concert series situation here. We've done a few of these, and Daniel and the guys were so well rehearsed that it was really easy to bring them in, get them happy with the way things sounded, and off and running. And for me, as a producer and an engineer, that's what I love to do. I mean, it's great to create things where you build a platform and you build things on top of it. But when you have a band that's so well rehearsed and they can just come in and smoke, and I mean that in the sense of playing, they are just, you know, they're really a happening band. It was fun to do with them.
After you've been playing for a while, you realize when you have something special, and that's what we've got. So that's it.